What if I told you that this single bite of food is about to power every heartbeat, every thought, and every movement your body makes? Let's follow its incredible journey.
The journey begins instantly. Your teeth crush the food while saliva releases amylase, an enzyme that starts breaking starch.
Now the food enters your esophagus. Powerful wave-like muscle contractions, called peristalsis, gently push it toward your stomach. Inside your stomach, powerful muscles churn the food with gastric acid and digestive juices. In the small intestine, powerful enzymes finish the job. Starch is converted into glucose, the simple sugar your cells can actually use for energy.
Now the glucose enters tiny cells lining the intestine. Special transport proteins move it into the bloodstream, where it begins its journey to every cell in your body.
Before reaching the rest of your body, glucose passes through the liver. Here, some is stored as glycogen for later, while the rest continues its journey to fuel your cells.
With every heartbeat, glucose is delivered through your bloodstream. Within seconds, it reaches muscles, organs, and even your brain, ready to become energy.
But glucose can't enter most cells alone. Insulin acts like a key, unlocking special GLUT4 transporters so glucose can move safely inside.
Inside the cell, glycolysis begins. One glucose molecule is split into two pyruvate molecules.
The pyruvate molecules have reached the mitochondrion, the cell's powerhouse. This tiny organelle is where most of your body's ATP is produced.
Before entering the main energy cycle, pyruvate is transformed into acetyl-CoA. Carbon dioxide is released, and high-energy electrons are captured as NADH.
Inside the Krebs cycle, acetyl-CoA is completely broken down. Carbon dioxide is released.
Now the high-energy electrons enter the electron transport chain. As they flow through protein complexes, their energy pumps hydrogen ions across the membrane. Hydrogen ions now rush through ATP synthase, spinning this incredible molecular turbine. Its rotation combines ADP and
Every muscle contraction depends on ATP. Without it, your muscles couldn't move, your heart couldn't beat, and even blinking would be impossible. Your brain never rests. Every thought, memory, and nerve signal depends on ATP, which powers the tiny pumps. Your heart beats over 100,000 times every day. Every single beat is powered by ATP, produced continuously inside the heart's mitochondria.
When oxygen becomes scarce, your cells switch to an emergency backup. Glycolysis continues.
From a single bite of food to millions of ATP molecules, this incredible journey powers every heartbeat, every breath, every thought.
after you eat, your pancreas constantly monitors blood glucose. When glucose rises, special beta cells release insulin to help cells absorb this valuable fuel.
Clinicians, insulin acts as a messenger. It signals muscle and fat cells to bring GLUT4 transporters to the surface, allowing glucose to enter.
Your body doesn't waste extra glucose. Under insulin's guidance, liver and muscle cells store it as glycogen, an energy reserve ready for when you need it most.
When blood sugar falls, the pancreas releases glucagon. This hormone tells the liver to break down glycogen and release glucose.
During exercise, your muscles need energy immediately. They rapidly absorb glucose, break down stored glycogen, and dramatically increase ATP production to keep you moving. ATP isn't just for exercise. Every heartbeat, every breath, every nerve signal, every cell repair, and every thought depends on a constant supply of ATP. Without ATP, life would stop within moments. Muscles couldn't contract, neurons couldn't send signals.
In just moments, food is transformed into glucose. Glucose becomes ATP, and ATP powers every cell in your body, keeping you alive every second of every day.
Here's an amazing fact. Your body constantly recycles ATP, producing and using an amount roughly equal to your own body weight. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought, and every movement begins with one incredible journey, from glucose to ATP. Quick challenge. Which organ uses the most energy every day? A. Brain, B. Heart, C. Liver, or D. Skeletal muscles? Comment your answer below.